I have a feeling the ladies, I have a feeling they went right. They sound like they went right, because when I was over there, they sounded like they were getting close, so they probably went that way. I don't know. I'm gonna go the opposite end. The ladies and their 2 or 3 dogs, whatever they had, best friends, whatever. Yep, they did go that way. I hear them back there. So I made a left, got to make a right coming back. Looks like I have to make another right because it looks like there's another left. Or we go straight through here, so then I would just have to come back and just make a slight right. Or we go through there, and we'll have to make at least 3 rights. No, 2 rights. I mean lefts. What am I saying? Left coming back, at least through there, because I would have made a right there. Left coming back. Left again. Gosh, am I confusing myself? I'll figure it out. I know how I got here. I wanted to go on that one. But there's benches over here, so what's down here? Nice and quiet out here. Hear machinery far away out in the distance too. It mentioned something about wildflowers. Flowers. Another trail was here. Saw some wood over here. Oh, were they benches? No, it's a guardrail. Now, what is that guarding? Looks like another trail here. There is a bench here. It's a table, if anything. A lunch table. Well, I can either go completely left, because that other left was heading towards this same left that's going somewhere. Or I can make it right. All these freaking options. That's the one thing you gotta love about trails. Nature places. A ton of trails. Let's keep going. Look like somebody left a tire here. Is that what this is? So, no, that's a freaking log. Back here, from back there, it looked like something else. I remember to check this mud pile here. Well, muddy water. Trail is getting pretty steep here. Look at all that. Pretty sure a tumble down there would be pretty painful. Hit yourself on a tree, probably got some broken ribs, broken fingers, what else? Whole bunch of brokenness. It's like a sharp left here. Well, this won't be hard to forget. It's steep and it's a little crazy getting down. That's good and steep. Gotta be careful I don't trip and fall down. That's gotta hurt. As from here, if I fell, I would probably hit that freaking skinny tree and then the big one. So that'll snap probably, and then, I don't know, would my head hurt? These shoes don't have the best grip, so I gotta be careful, man. Oh, man. Thanks, tree, for helping me. Thank you. You're a nice tree. Oh, goodness. Ouch. So we're making a right here. Almost looks like a dead end here. So I may have to turn around, go another way. That other option looked like it would have come out the same way. Oh, this battery's dying fast too. God damn, what is it with these batteries? I probably needed to charge this one a little longer. Jeez Louise, these batteries, dude. Yeah, this definitely is a dead end. Well, that's what. Oh, it's just like the other camera. Remember when I said it has a certain thing that it cuts off automatically, and then it restarts. So now it's like an extra 6 minutes. 6 minutes 32 seconds into the next video. Yeah, this is definitely a dead end, so I definitely need to come back up here. Well, I could at least look at what the dip looks like. The drop. Unless this is supposed to be leading to another trail. That's definitely nothing. You just roll down. No, that actually is the end. This is the end. No, there's more. It's just super steep. Unless that is literally the end. It actually looks like a fall right there. That definitely looks like a fall. Yeah, unless I wanted to roll all the way down. That's the cheapest way to get down there. Definitely is. Yep. Well, let's turn around. Looks good right here. I love all these trees. Let me go back. Now I gotta make the way back up. Getting up is a little easier. Or not. Alright, I'm going up slow now. Oh, crap. I think I went over too much. No, I didn't. These are the same trees. Same exact trees. Had a small tree and a big tree. The same small trees I mentioned. Now, this is what you call hiking. This is a freaking hike. That'll strengthen those leg muscles. Was there something walking? Thought I heard something walking to my right. Here those ladies again. Yeah, there's nothing here. Unless you just wanted to camp out in front of that log. I guess that's a decent spot, maybe. Well, here's the other one. Let's go try this one out. So we came out of a right turn. Now we're making another right turn from that right turn, which would technically be straight if we never made that other right turn. So we'll just be coming out, making a straight, but a slight right coming back. Oh yeah, this battery is just about done. Oh man, I'll just have to enjoy the rest of the hike without the video. Man, that's gonna suck. Man. So the battery, like when you first get the camera and the battery, it's like somewhat fully charged, but not fully charged. Same with the other cameras, same thing. Almost the same thing, dude. Yeah, this is not... yeah, that's not the best thing ever. I look at the instructions, and I almost never read instructions. I'm not a fan of reading instructions most of the time. I'll read the instructions and I'll look at their recommended charge time for it. So it probably needed extra charge. It literally went from full charge to nothing after, I don't know, almost a half hour. That's ridiculous. That is beyond ridiculous. Another trail to the right. The bump over there. On leash area. So that's the other trail. So that means if I did go that way, I could come out here and still get to the mills. Too bad my camera is done charging. So I guess I'm going to call this an introduction to Rolling Hill Park. This is just the introduction. That's fine. That's fine. At least I was out here. I promised myself, since I didn't do this trip yesterday, I was going to do it today. Guess what? I'm here. So, yeah. That sucks. The battery's done. Battery's done for now. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. So, when this turns off, that's it. Ooh, wow. Hello. Whoosh, man. Oh yeah, the off-leash trail. Yep, they all connect. They all connect. So that means we go this way. Caution, poison ivy. Thank you for the tip. The only thing is, I forgot what poison ivy looks like, and I remember getting it years and years and years ago. That stuff itches like crazy. Let's keep going. Looking for just about every sign possible. I'll definitely be coming out here, back out here, either Friday or Saturday. Probably. Oh. Yeah, it really does connect, because that's the house. Remember earlier I said that's the house. That's what I would stay away from. Alright, so this is definitely the trail. I will definitely know to come around there, but then go through here. Now just use this as just a straight shortcut. I'll definitely come out here. I'll just go where it says off-leash trail and then make my way out here. Make a left. Past that house. That's the same house I saw before. So coming back, that should be on my right. I mentioned this being a steep trail. Most certainly is. It most certainly is. When this cuts off, I'll just keep walking for a little bit and I'll just come back to film the stuff. That sucks because I don't have my other cameras. I would have those as backup, but those need charging too. I always have like a backup camera, dude. This is a cool camera though. It's got a clearer picture than the other ones. Yeah, the other two. Very decent. I'll probably walk an extra 30 minutes and then turn around. Or I could make the trip out here again tomorrow. Well, made the promise at least. I made the promise at least. That's nice. Can't wait to see those abandoned mills. Those persons used to come all the way out here to work, out here in the wilderness. And they got some nice serene nature. What the heck is that? Those must be spider webs, and it's got something stuck in it. I thought I heard some footsteps or something, you know, crawling around. Trail on the left. I'm going to keep going straight. Yeah, that battery literally just dropped. That's crazy, man. Come on. No, those were probably just leaves, because that's probably what that was back there. My vision is slightly blurry, so forgive me if I'm making errors and you see something.